Just ordered a Eura Drives EM30 VFD? If you're looking for a quick start guide to get it up and running, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your EM30 variable frequency drive in just a few simple steps. The EM30 VFD is the perfect advanced washdown drive for harsh, dirty, dusty, and vibration-prone environments. Additional standout capabilities are the auto torque compensation boost mode, automatic low audible noise mitigation, and permanent magnet motor control mode. These drives are also nameplated for high overload applications, so you're never caught with higher than expected demands on torque. The IP66 NEMA 4X enclosure ensures nothing's getting inside. IP67 is also available as a special order. Plus, it mounts directly to your motor, so you don't need to worry about additional climate-controlled or sealed enclosures. And you'll be using a lot less cable to connect the motor and VFD. When mounted to the motor, it boasts a G4 vibration rating, perfect for mobile applications. A kit is also available for wall mount. The cooling fins and fan ensure your drive dissipates heat when mounted on your motor. And the 4-line LCD keypad is removable and rotatable, making setup pretty easy. These VFDs are now available at eMotorsDirect.ca in up to 5 horsepower. They're an economical option with advanced features, including their world-renowned Eura pump software for multi-pump management applications. This VFD is an OEM favorite because you don't need to purchase an additional enclosure for your VFD, and you can keep everything nice and compact. Ask our team about our pallet pricing for your next big project. Let's dive into how to set it up. Find your wiring diagram in section 3.3 of your manual. On the following page, you'll find an overview of the control terminals. Once your drive is powered up, we can start setting the parameters. First, we'll set up the North American settings with your speed and frequency configurations. When you power on the drive, the keypad lights up and displays a diagnostic value. Press the function key a few times until you see a parameter, then hit the stop reset button until only the forward LED is on. This lets you access the high level menu. Use the up and down arrows to find your parameter, press stop reset again to enter the lower level menu. Then adjust settings using the arrows and hit set to save. Now we'll enter motor parameters. We'll set our minimum and maximum frequency to help prevent overloading and to protect your driven equipment. If your motor's rated for 60 Hertz, a common setting here would be 60 to 75 Hertz. The maximum frequency is under F111 and the minimum frequency is under F112. F118 is the utility supply frequency. In Canada, that's 60 Hertz. Now let's set up your EM30 for your motor specifications. You'll find this information on your motor nameplate. We'll start by entering the motor's power. In North America, we use horsepower, so you'll probably find this as HP on your nameplate. However, most VFDs measure motor power in kilowatts, so you'll need to convert it. Take your horsepower and multiply it by 0.7457 to get your kilowatts value. Enter your value and save. Next, we'll add the motor voltage, either 230 or 460 for this drive. Next, add your motor current. You might find this under FLA on your nameplate. Add the RPM that your motor is rated for. And now, add your motor frequency, usually 60 Hertz in Canada. Now your VFD is set up for your specific motor. You can now control your motor with the VFD keypad. Run, change speed with the up and down keys, and stop. Variations to basic control strategy parameters are found under Group 2. We can configure how you want to control the motor. Navigate to parameter F200, which allows you to set the main run source. Choose 1 for terminal input, 2 for keypad and terminal input, 3 for Modbus, or 4 for keypad, terminal, and Modbus. Select the option that fits your application. We can also set your motor rotation under F202. Set it to 0 for forward or 1 for reverse based on your needs. Parameter F208 is also a shortcut to some common preset control strategies for the control terminals. You can use the parameter as a hand auto selector as well. Please reference the manual for these and other programming customizations. And you're off to the races. You're ready to control your motor with your EM30 Eura Drive VFD. If you need support sourcing your next motor or VFD, think eMotors Direct. We're Canada's industrial motor supplier. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so you'll know when our next video drops. We'll be diving into the Eura Drive Washdown EP66 VFDs next time. Thanks for watching. See you soon.